This is what we got today. Bird cage. Real nice little cream pitcher from Marshall, Texas. That looks somewhat old. I don't know. Here's some kind of brass thing. I never know if this is really brass, like if I could recycle it, or, well, oh, bronze. Well, whatever, it's brass. I don't think it's bronze. If anybody knows the difference between brass and bronze and what this is, let me know. Couple bowls, same kind, Waverly. I don't know what this is. Decoration, carrot things. Marco and Christina, made in Italy. Nice bowl. Got a few knives to start saving. You know, that kitchen stuff, boy, that is a big seller at the garage sales. Another snowman. I don't know, Gina DeRossi. Has wear, but it's not stained or anything. Pretty decent. This is a big kite. I'm not going to pull it out of there. I'm keeping the lid in case somebody, you know, for 10 cents. Chantal lid. Another purse. Don't know. Well, it's marked right here. Liz Claiborne. Okay. So, it's pretty decent, really. And an apple a day. Okay. Nice little book. One of those. Oh, they don't have any more, but this looks, you know, vintage. Definitely. So we like that. And we got this, the Vintage Kitchen poster. Nicely framed, by the way. Very nicely framed. I just need to clean it up. That dirt, that's just dirt and it'll come off. Very nice. And this old wicker, not old, I don't know, I just call everything old. It's a wicker basket. Painted blue, the handle broken off. But that's pretty cool. And then a tackle box, nothing in it. Couple treble hooks. Plano. I'll ask $1 for that and it'll sell at the garage sale, that is for sure, even with the worm burns in it. Oh, alright. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us. This is Olivia. There she is out there.